applied to this program because I really wanted more of a background in clinical research, particularly doing research with communities that are under-resourced and historically underrepresented in research. I believe that the best place to get this background is at the Morehouse School of Medicine because Morehouse is the leader in health equity research, and there's no better place for me to be than to be here and to learn here.
Above all, what stood out for me in the program is the immersive aspect. We've gotten to do hands-on simulations. We've gotten to do OSCE evaluations with simulated patients so we can see firsthand how encounters would go in the clinical space. And we've also had great lecture to reinforce our overall knowledge of what we'll be seeing in the actual field.
This program has greatly influenced my confidence by doing OSCEs, which allowed us to have like a simulation of talking to patients and real world scenarios that could happen during clinical trial setting.
What has stood out to me about this program so far is just how supportive and collaborative everybody is. Everybody is so supportive, everybody from the teachers to the program leaders to all of my classmates and people in the cohort, they're all very supportive, and everybody just wants you to succeed here, which is exactly what I was hoping to be a part of.
This experience has led me to learn more about patient outcomes and technology used in clinical trials.
I didn't have any patient experience. It's often hard to find patient experience in the medical field if you don't have dedicated degrees such as MD, nursing, so on and so forth. So I was looking for the hands-on experience through the ACT program without having those pre-required degrees.
One word to describe this program is refinement. We are always continuously learning every day. We learn something new. It's been very insightful of learning how medical research and clinical research is done.
This program has made me more confident in explaining clinical trial design and procedures to patients and community members. Every day we are learning something different. Every day is something new. Everything that we do, everything that we learn is something that we can use later in our careers and in clinical research. A lot of the things that we learn in lecture and even during the labs that we do.
This program honestly has taught me how to deal with difficult patients, how to deal with easy patients, and how to handle unforeseen circumstances overall.